Okay.
And we also have IT programs, which are also getting popular. It's also, again, technology.
Artificial intelligence is one of the important programs that most of the times Indian students would like to study.
Yes, but also now is picking up computer games and animation, because there were a lot of changes in the gaming industry. So a lot of also young people want to study it in Europe, the technologies, and create their own games. And of course, there is a classic of programming and multimedia where they can be anybody after graduating that. And general practice nursing, which is medical program to be a nurse, which is qualified. They can stay further, work in Lithuania or work in anywhere in the world further on. And aesthetic cosmetology, where they prepare how to make massages, facial procedures.
To be a beautician, to start your own beauty parlor or things like that.
Yes, exactly.
Could you please a little bit more explain about the nursing program, because we are also getting the inquiry in relation with the nursing, and when it comes to nursing, how many years, what is the tuition fee per year, what is the application fee, and also the main important subject, the practical experiences of the students, and also where they will stay once they complete the study, how they will get the nursing certificate from Lithuania, are they able to work with this certificate in another country, let's say in India or Australia or USA or UK or Canada, what is the eligibilities?
Yes, so application fee 180 euros,
Yes.
tuition fees 4,100 per year.
Per year.
Duration 3.5 years.
Okay.
It also includes a lot of practices and studies and modules of different nursing connected things. Yes, so every time they have a subject, especially starting from the second year, they also go for practice. So there is theoretical part and practical part where they practice it in the hospitals. We pair them with Lithuanian groups just to help with the language barrier, because obviously in a year they cannot learn Lithuanian language,
Yes.
but we help them out with that. And also they learn Lithuanian language every semester.
Every semester.
Every semester for 3.5 years. So they would be able to pass for the license in Lithuania for the B2 level of Lithuanian language and stay and work here. And regarding other countries, education is recognized.
Yes.
However, to practice, they might need to pass an additional license in the country that they would like to work in.
And when it comes to the Lithuanian language for BSc nursing, dear students and parents, please note about this aspect very clearly. Since, for example, if you are going to Germany and to study there, to become a nurse, you need to pass B2 level of German language. Likewise, in Lithuania also, the native language is Lithuanian, because you need to interact with the patients. And at SMK Collegium, the university will be giving the Lithuanian language learning possibility for students. Does the student need to pay any additional tuition fee to study Lithuanian language?
No, it's included in the study
In
program.
Okay, so for example, this nursing program is 3.5 years, and from the first semester till the last semester, university will be teaching Lithuanian language. In the first semester, it will be A1 level, yeah, and in the second semester, is it A2?
Yes. So it's still there is teacher working with the group, seeing their progress, and depending on the progress, so they proceed through the materials, since it is quite a very long course throughout the study. So teacher determines on which level the group is and teaches them further on. So I cannot clearly say that it's going to be A2 in the second semester, B1 in the third semester. It's going to be depending on the group.
But
generally,
anyway,
they will reach B2.
Yeah. So, which means from A1 till B2, the university will be teaching the students.
Yes.
You don't need to go outside and study, because in other universities, why I'm asking this, we have some other medical universities also. In those universities, they are teaching actually only A1 and A2. Student need to go outside to study B1 and B2.
Yes, so since it was a problem for the license, we
Yeah.
have made a new decision
Very good.
last year to teach them in here. Generally, Lithuanian language is included into the studies of any study program on the level until A2.
Okay.
So everybody knows that until A2, well, of course, if they are willing to study and learn it. But for nursing, since it's very specific and very needed, so it's the longer studies here.
Okay, so till B2, you do not need to worry about it. You just need to study. And only after you complete your studies, it is 3.5 years, and then you should pass B2 level, and then you need to apply for the nursing license in Lithuania. at the medical department in Lithuania. And with that certificate, then only you will be able to go and practice as a nurse anywhere. For example, if you are going to work in USA, to work in USA, you need certain exam from USA. And for Australia, again, you need to write the exam for Australia. And for UK, you need to write exam for nurses in UK. But in any case, if you want to get the nursing certificate from Lithuania, you must pass B2 level. Why I am asking and giving more clarity about this matter is that I have seen that various agencies, from different countries are not even giving the attention about this aspect. And once the student comes to Lithuania, they are very much panicking for BSc nurses program or nursing program. So that's why I want to
Yes,
make a
yes, yes, of course.
clarity on this.
Yes, for nursing and in general, we have also changed a little bit of rules of motivational interviews.
Okay.
So when they're applying, they also all have to go through the motivational interview process. So now we're slightly testing them regarding the knowledge in the field
Okay.
as a genuine interest. Therefore, we really ask for the previous preparation for before the interviews. So the person, it is very beneficial if a person has some experience of volunteering in some, especially for nursing in some laboratories, or has gone through some courses in biology to catch up, because there could be differences in educational systems and everything. So what we have noticed for some students, it is very hard to start nursing here with previous, like especially if they have a study break between school and between studying the higher education. So it is very tough for them to start the nursing in terms of biology, anatomy, and everything. It is a very intense study program of 3.5 years. Therefore, we really encourage them to prepare beforehand. Also, even if they gain acceptance, it is great if they also study materials before starting the studies here. Yeah. Therefore, now they need to prepare regarding the questions regarding the study programs and the contents, and like some basic biology questions or mathematics questions for the IT programs or business questions. Well, where we really see the interest of the person in the field, that they know what they're expecting to receive and what who they want to be afterwards, because nursing is intense and they really need to be determined to studying.
Yes, exactly. It's not for for fun or to do carelessly. It's very serious subject. So, dear students and parents, please note all these new changes. And now